Hi, my name is Shannon. I live in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I am taking this course because I got to choose an elective, and this honestly just sounded like a really good course to take. Although this type of course is a little awkward and hard to talk about sometimes, as social workers, it is important that we feel comfortable and get used to talking about things like this. One area of human sexuality that does interest me is intimacy. I did not really know until, this is week one, but I didn't really consider intimacy in a way other than sex before reading into this course. So now that I've read a little bit, I'm sure I'm going to learn a lot more, but as I read a little bit, I did learn that intimacy is not just about sex. It's about closeness and trust and being vulnerable with someone, and not just your romantic partner. It can be just being intimate in your relationships, just having that closeness with one another. For safety in this course, I guess I would say that I feel that everyone should be able to speak to a level that they feel comfortable speaking with. I don't feel that anybody should be forced to speak about something they're not comfortable with. If people aren't necessarily comfortable speaking about sex, I guess that's kind of what this course is about, and that's where practice comes in. Maybe at the beginning of the course, they're not comfortable talking about it, but as time goes on, they may get more and more comfortable talking about it, so that would give them practice for when they talk to their clients in the future. But yeah, that's how I would rate our safety. I do feel pretty safe. This is a online course, so there's not much face-to-face interaction, but that kind of is a good thing at first, because I know I'm not super comfortable talking about this, and I'm sure others aren't either. So, thanks.